Why meditate? Why, in a world so loud, so fast, so full, should we sit still, close our eyes, and do nothing? Meditation is a journey inward, a returning to the innermost core of your being. When you discover the center of your existence, you discover both your roots and your wings. The roots ground you in existence, making you whole, authentic, and truly individual. The wings arise from the fragrance of your inner connection with freedom, love, compassion, sincerity, humor, and blissfulness flowing naturally from within. Roots give you depth, wings give you flight. Together, they represent a single profound experience, coming home to yourself. Ordinarily, we live at the surface, always moving around the edges, caught in distractions and directed outward. But when we let go of objects, thoughts, even the noise of the mind and the rhythm of the heart, what remains is silence. Pure, vast silence. In that silence, you begin to settle into your center. And in that stillness, your roots deepen, and your wings begin to grow, effortlessly, without force. There is nothing to do but to be. When you are at home within yourself, existence itself becomes a blessing. This is the essence of inner revolution. And the only path to this revolution is meditation. Meditation is unlearning. It is a gentle undoing of all you've been conditioned to believe. It is a dehypnosis, a shedding of society's weight and the thousands of thoughts imposed upon you. It is the art of becoming empty, still, and spacious again. It is the clearing of the inner slate. And once you are clear, clean, silent, and aware, the revolution has already happened. The sun has risen within. You begin to live in its light. To live in the light of your own inner sun is to truly live. Anything else is merely slow dying, a procession toward the inevitable, a race to be first in line without ever knowing why. Ordinary life is not life, it is only a so-called life, a quiet kind of suicide. But when you taste inner stillness, when your sky is clear, and your being is radiant, you know what life truly is. Call it God, call it truth, call it liberation, enlightenment, or bliss. The names may differ, but the experience is one and the same.